Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are safe at home. Student, today we are going to learn GK and our topic is Indians of today. So, we do things for others and we work for others and it will become famous. So there are many people in India who have become very well known because of the good things they have done for others. They have so famous that the whole world know about them. So today we are going to learn in detail that which who is person that Indian student become very famous. So first is Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar. So here we can see a photograph of Sachin Tendulkar. So we all familiar with Sachin Tendulkar and his full name is Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. He born on April 24 April 1973 in Mumbai. So Sachin Tendulkar born on 24 April 1973 in Mumbai. He is a former Indian cricketer. We all know about Sachin Tendulkar. Here we can see a photograph of Sachin Tendulkar. So we all familiar with him. And he is a former Indian cricketer. So he has the highest number of runs in both Test cricket and one day internationals. So he is also has the highest number of centuries in both forms of the game. Its last test match being played against the West Indies. So Sachin Tendulkar, here we can see a photograph of Sachin Tendulkar and we all familiar with Sachin Tendulkar and he is a famous former Indian cricketer and also he is a mega highest number of the runs and centuries. So in Indian today, we all know about Sachin Tendulkar. So children, now we are going to learn a next person. Who is this? It is a Baichung Bhutia. So Baichung Bhutia. Baichung Bhutia, born on 15 December 1976. He is an Indian professional athlete and he is the best known and association football player. So here we can see a photograph of Bhutia and he is the famous athlete and also football player. So he played for an Indian national football team. So Bhutia retired from the international competition in 2011. So in 2011, Bhutia retired from the international competitions and Baichung Bhutia is also a spelled Baichung Bhutia is a former Indian professional football player and who played as a striker. So Bhutia is considered the torbearer of Indian football in the international area. So he is often nicknamed is the Sikkimese sniper because of his shooting skill in football. So Snaker is a nickname of Bhutia. So Bhutia is a professional football player and he played a national football in Indian national football team and also a professional football player and striker. So children, here we can see information about benching Bhutia and also a photograph of Bhutia. So children, now we are going to learn a next person and it is a Ranbir Kapoor. Ranbir Kapoor. So here we can see a photograph of Ranbir Kapoor and we all familiar with Ranbir Kapoor. Ranbir Kapoor was born on 28 September 1982 in Bombay. Now it called Mumbai. So to Rishi and Neetu, both actor of the Hindi film industry. So Rishi Kapoor and Neetu Kapoor is the parents of Ranbir Kapoor and they both are actors and Indian film industry and he is the great grandson of Prithviraj Kapoor and the grandson of actor director Raj Kapoor and his elder sister Riddhima is born on 1980 is the interior and fashion designer. So here we can see a photograph of Ranbir Kapoor and we all familiar with Ranbir Kapoor and so many films they have done by him and his born is 28 September 1982 in Bombay and also Rishi Kapoor and Neetu Kapoor is parents of him and he is the grandson of Prithviraj Kapoor and also a Raj Kapoor and we all familiar with Ranbir Kapoor. So here we can see a photograph of Ranbir Kapoor and information about Ranbir Kapoor. So children, everyone understand about Ranbir Kapoor. So now we are going to learn next slide and next person and who is this person? Yes, he is a Dr. Manmohan Singh. So here we can see a photograph of Dr. Manmohan Singh. Dr. Manmohan Singh is born on 26 September 1932 and was the 13th Prime Minister of India. A famous economist, he is the only Prime Minister since Jawaharlal Nehru to return to power after completing a full 5-year term and the first Sikh to hold the office. So, Dr. Manmohan Singh is belong to a Sikh religion and Singh was born in 26 September 1932 in Gra Punjab, British India into a Sikh family. He is the studied at Punjab University, Chandigarh at St. John's College and Cambridge and also a Newfield College, Oxford. Singh was been married to Grushan Kaur since 1958. So Manmohan Singh is a very famous Indian 13th Prime Minister and also a economist and he is a very intelligent and also belong to a Punjab and Sikh family and he studied in Punjab University and Chandigarh and also he is a Cambridge and Oxford in study and Manmohan Singh is a economist and Jawaharlal Nehru to return to power after completing full 5 years term and the first 6 to hold the office. So here we can see a photograph of Dr. Manmohan Singh, and he is a very famous Prime Minister in India. So children, everyone understand about Dr. Manmohan Singh. So now we are going to learn a next slide and next person. Yes, this is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So we all familiar with Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. And here we can see a photograph of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So APJ Abdul Kalam was a famous Indian aerospace engineer. He was the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. So he was a famous president, 11th President of India in 2002 to 2007. When he was a president, he was popularly known as the People's President. He was awarded the Bharat Ratna, in India's highest civilian honor in 1997. He has also been a professor of aerospace engineering, and Kalam is the first challenger of the Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology. Trivandrum IIST. He is known as the Missile Man of India, and we all familiar with Abdul Kalam because he is famous for Missile Man of India. So Abdul Kalam is also a poet and novelist, and he is a aerospace engineer, and also APJ Abdul Kalam is also a winner of Bharat Ratna award, and Kalam is a 11th President of India in 2002 to 2007. So we all familiar with Abdul Kalam, and Abdul Kalam is very famous person and also a missile man of India. So children, you all understand about Abdul Kalam and their information. So now we are going to learn a next person and next slide, and it is a Vishwanath Anand. Viswanath Vishwanath Anand. So here we can see a photograph of Vishwanath Anand. So Vishwanath Anand, known as a Vishy, is born on 11 December 1969, and he is the former world chess champion. So he come from India, and Vishy is the oldest player in modern times to become a classical world champion. For the first time, he was 37 when he won in 2007. So when the world championship was split, Anand played the both variations. So here we can see a Vishwanath Anand, and he is become a chess champion, world chess champion, and a very famous person, and we all familiar with Vishwanath Anand. So children, now we are going to learn a next slide and next person. Who is this? It is a Saina Nehwal. SAINANEHWAL. Saina Nehwal. So here we can see a photograph of Saina Nehwal. So Saina Nehwal is very famous person at the 2012 Olympic Games in London, England. Indian badminton player Saina Nehwal captured the women's singles bronze medal. She was the first badminton player from India to win an Olympic medal. So Sania won the Olympic bronze medal in 2012 Olympic Games in London, and Nehwal was born on March 17, 1990 in Hyder, Haryana state, India. So he is born in Hyder, Haryana state in India. Her parents, both former badminton players, introduced her to the sports, and by 2004 she had become a national junior champion. So Saina Nehwal is a very famous woman Olympic champion, and she was the first badminton player from India to win an Olympic medal, and she won a bronze medal. So Nehwal's parents is both former badminton player, and that's why she is become a badminton player. And 2004 she had become a national junior champion. So Saina Nehwal is a very famous personality, and we all familiar with Saina Nehwal. So children, now we are going to learn a next slide and next person, and it is A.R. Rahman. So A.R. Rahman. So here we can see a photograph of A.R. Rahman. So A.R. Rahman is, we all familiar with A.R. Rahman. So A.R. Rahman in full name Allah Rakha Rahman. So original names is A.S. Dilip Kumar, born on January 6, 1966 in Madras, now Chennai, in India. So Indian composer whose extensive body of work for film and stage earned him a nickname, the Mozart of Madras. So A.R. Rahman nickname is Mozart of Madras, and Rahman's father R.K. Shekhar was a prominent Tamil musician who composed scores for Malayalam film industry, and Rahman studied piano at the age 4. So A.R. Rahman is a very famous singer, and we all familiar with him. And Rahman gives so many various type of song. So Rahman is a nickname of Mozart of Madras. So children, you all are learn about A.R. Rahman. So now we are going to learn a next person, and next slide. Who is this? Is a Ruskin Bond. Ruskin, Ruskin Bond, B-O-N-D. So here we can see a photograph of Ruskin Bond. So Ruskin Bond, born on May 19, 1934, and here we can see a photograph of Ruskin Bond. So he is a Indian author of British descent. So the Indian Council for Child Education has recognized his role in the growth of children's literature in India. So he was the awarded in Sahitya Academy Award in 1992 for our trees still grown in Dehra in novel in English. So Ruskin Bond is an Indian author but write in a British desert, and he is awarded in 1992. So for the trees still grow in Dehra, and his novel in English. So Ruskin Bond is a write in English, and he is a author of Indian author, but his writing is in English, and child education has recognized his role. Also, a growth of children literature in India, and he won the Sahitya Academy Award in 1992. So, childrens, you all are learn about Ruskin Bond. So, in today's lecture, we are learn about so many various Indian person. Like first we are learn about Sachin Tendulkar. So here we can see a photograph of Sachin Tendulkar, and also Sachin Tendulkar is very famous personality, and we all familiar with Sachin Tendulkar. And then we are learn about Banching Bhutia. So Banching Bhutia is a very famous person, and also of Indian national football player, and also international he play an international game. So here we can see a photograph of Banching Bhutia. And then next we are learn about Ranbir Kapoor. So here we can see a photograph of Ranbir Kapoor, and we all familiar with Ranbir Kapoor, and also Ranbir Kapoor is a very famous personality. And then we are learn about Dr. Manmohan Singh. So Dr. Manmohan Singh is a president, prime minister of India in third 19 in the 13th prime minister in India. And then we are learn about the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So Abdul Kalam is a very famous person, and also we call him missile man. And then we are learn about Vishwanath Anand. So Vishwanath Anand is a very famous personality, and also a world chess champion. And then we are learn about Sania Nehwal. So Saina Nehwal is a very famous personality, and also a a badminton champion of Olympic, and won the bronze medal. And then we are learn about A.R. Rahman. So A.R. Rahman is a very famous singer. And then we are learn about Ruskin Bond. So Ruskin Bond is a very famous author, Indian author, but he write a British desert. So childrens, now we are going to do some exercise. And so Indians of today, here we can see so many various types of photographs. So do you know who these famous peoples are? With the help of the hint given in the box, write their names in the blanks given. So here we can see brackets and so many names. So we write the name one by one. First, number first. Who is this picture about? Number first is picture about Sachin Tendulkar. Okay, good. So children, everyone write with me. Okay, now next, number two. Who is this picture about? Number two is, who is this picture about? Yes, this is picture about benching Bhutia. So very good. Okay. First is Sachin Tendulkar and number 2 is benching Bhutia. Okay, now number 3. What? Which is picture is about? Who is this in this picture? Number 3. Yes, it is a Ranbir Kapoor. Okay, very good children. So, number 3 is picture is about Ranbir Kapoor. And then number 4. Number 4 is who is this person? Yes, number 4 is a Dr. Manmohan Singh. Okay, very good children. So, number 5. What is this picture about? Yes, number 5 is picture about. Yes, it is a Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay, very good children. And then number 6. So, what is this picture about? Yes, this is a picture about Vishwanath Anand. Okay, very good children. So, number 3 is picture about Vishwanath Anand. So, now number 7. So, number 7 is what is this picture about? Yes, this is a picture about Ruskin Bond. Okay, very good children. Now, number 8. Number 8 is picture about. Here we can see a picture about a Saina Nehwal. Okay, very good children. So, number 8 is a picture about Saina Nehwal. Okay, very good children. So, now next and last, number 9. What is this picture about? Number 9 is picture about. It is a picture about A.R. Rahman. Okay, very good children. So, in a homework, you all are write this exercise one time. Okay, children. Now you all are enjoy. Now you all are enjoy this video. Okay, very good. Hope you are all learn and enjoy this video and this lecture. So students, I will see you next time, and also students, don't forget to wash your hand regularly, eat healthy food, stay home and stay safe. Okay, thank you students.